Hey guys, in this video today I'm going to show you how to repair an LG TV which has that Wi-Fi issue. Either the Wi-Fi is intermittent or it drops often, or it just outright says Wi-Fi turned off. To do this, we'll have to open the back of the TV, which has approximately 15 screws or less. So you're going to have most of them around the bezel, like I show here, but you're going to have two next to the HDMI port and another one next to the Ethernet port. So be mindful of those, and also if you have any wall mounts, remove those screws as well and remove the mount too. Next, I have my hand towards the center of the TV where the IR sensor and the power button is. I lift from there and then slowly pull up. The TV will then open just like the hood of a car does. You can lift that whole back panel and put it out of the way. So the culprit in these TVs typically lies in how their wires are bundled. So notice here you have some blue tape around here and then some blue tape on this side as well. All we have to do is really just separate those and just make sure they're living freely. You could readjust some of these things, like pull the ribbons out, but those aren't really necessary from my experience in opening 8 of these TVs. Here's a close-up of the wire bundle and the blue tape that surrounds it. So I just take this knife and then just try to slice open this tape here. Ultimately, I'm going to remove this tape. It's hard to do this with one hand, by the way, so use 2 hands. And the IR sensor just slides in at the bottom of the TV where these 2 notches go. Next, what I do is I see these 2 black wire holders. I just free those by lifting them out, lifting the wires out, and then I'm able to separate the wires. That will be the fix for this TV. Just let them hang free here. There's another piece of blue tape here, so I'm just going to do the same thing. Just take my cutter and then just cut through the tape, remove the tape, and then separate the wires once again. So now the TV is good to go, just like this. All we have to do is just reassemble the TV and test it out. I'm going to go down into network, and then Wi-Fi connection. And now it's able to search, and you're able to get some stuff. There you guys go. Now we're able to connect to the internet and then just enjoy your stuff. Now to put the TV back together, just slide the cover back on, put all the screws back in place, and that's pretty much it. TV should be good to go. Thank you guys very much for watching. Hope your TV works out, and I hope to see you in the next video. Goodbye.